Hey guys, what's up? Very good morning. Welcome back to the channel. This is Sang here again, and today is day 2 of our Tawang vlog. We haven't yet reached Tawang. Today we are still at Bomdilla, but then we are leaving for Tawang in a short while. Before that, we go to a cafe and grab some coffee or something because we haven't had anything. Well, the day is going to be exciting because I've heard on the way we come across beautiful sightseeing places, including Sela Pass and few of the waterfalls. So guys, yeah, without further ado, I'm super excited and let's begin the journey. So we have checked out of the hotel. We are on our way to Bomdila now. We have taken all our luggages, all ready, all geared up for the day. Super excited. And yeah, I mean, before that, we are gonna grab some coffee somewhere. I think Bomdila has pretty cool cafes in and around, so that should not be an issue. I'm just hoping that it's open though. So yeah, it's 7 o'clock by the way in the morning, and yeah, super excited.
Shall we call those guys help?
Guys, see, it's time of crisis. Our ATM got stuck. ATM card got stuck in the machine.
Yeah, I should sit there like
And
That's Path
I'm
ka hai
not
wo
sure.
card.
Yeah,
We are enjoying, but Path, I'm so sorry.
we're trying to take it out. It's all stuck. Not sure what to do.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now.
So we are currently in Dirang. We have stopped here in a small restaurant called Woman Ling Hotel, and we'll be having a breakfast here. And we move ahead. There's a lot of traffic jam because the streets are narrow, and you know there are a lot of vehicles. So we have very limited options here for breakfast. I think this is have roti and paratha. We are going for roti because I think it'll be lighter. There were a couple of other hotels also nearby where we could have gone for breakfast, but the problem was you know, like they did not have enough parking space, and the road here is really narrow. So we thought that this would be the best choice. I'll let you know how the food tastes in a while. So we are done with our breakfast now, and we are continuing with our further journey. We're very excited. Let's see, Sela Pass is I think 65 kilometers from here. So yeah, let's go.
Push your limits with you right now.
Hey guys, so we are on our way to Tawang right now, and on the way we have come to this war memorial which is called Yukmadung. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the word correct, but here it is. So guys, the war memorial looks very nice and well maintained from outside. Let's go and check out inside. The entire place has been very well maintained, and you know, like it's very peaceful place. You can see how beautiful the place is, and also all the prayer flags are flying. So yeah, I think it's definitely one of the best places that you can come to and, you know, spend some time on your way to Tawang. I would also suggest that while you are here, you go through, you know, whatever information has been given, because that's the only way you can appreciate a place, when you understand its importance. And yeah, I mean, apart from that, nothing else. I think 30 minutes, 25, probably 30 minutes is more than enough to explore this place. We will be heading now towards Sela Top on our way to Tawang.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now.
guys, we are about to reach Sela Pass. We are just 2 kilometers or 3 kilometers away from Sela Pass. It's a fantastic view. I mean, there's not much of visibility because it's all cloudy. It's like I think we are almost at the top, and the entire thing is covered by fog. We can't see very far ahead, but yeah, I mean, it's fantastic view, but at the same time it's very scary. Just have a look at it once. So guys, right now we are reaching the Sela Pass. You can see there's a gate that's about to come. That is the Sela Pass, and yeah, here we are, guys. This is the gate to Sela Pass. We reach Sela Pass. Hey guys, so we just reached this Sela Pass. You can see the gate behind me. We just entered. It's a nice place. It's amazing. It's super cold. I'm not properly dressed. We can see there's a small shop here. You get whatever eatables that's available. I think this way goes towards Tawang and the other way goes towards some other side. I'll show you around. We'll click some beautiful pictures, and then we'll continue our journey towards Tawang. So there's a Gompa, it seems, this way. So we are walking towards that, and you can see there's a lake on my right hand side here. So I think the entire place is just naturally beauty. It's like gifted. Everywhere you go, I think it's very beautiful. But however, we are just trekking along the way and seeing what all are there. So let's see. What's up, guys? So you can see how beautiful we have come across this beautiful lake in Sela Pass, and while we were exploring the area, I'm not really sure what's the name of the lake, but it's beautiful one. So we'll be clicking a lot of beautiful pictures here. And also, guys, one more thing which is very noticeable here is there's a lot of military presence, and I think they are also the ones responsible, you know, like for the entire infrastructure here. So I have to tell you, the roads are really, really well built, and you know, despite the altitude, everything is so well maintained, and the roads are so well connected. So yeah, I mean, thanks military for that. But otherwise, over and all, the place is beautiful. It's naturally endowed with all the natural beauty that you can see here around me. All the brown grasses, you know, the grasses are dry. I'm not sure if it's called grasses or what. I think it's some kind of grasses plus ferns and other stuff. But anyways, guys, it's a beautiful view. You enjoy, I'll enjoy, and I'll take some time to click my pictures. Hey guys, so we are enjoying our tea here in Sela Pass. We have also ordered for the Maggie. It's about to come. So yeah, it's a really nice place. It's a little cold though. So yeah, I mean, when you decide to come here, I mean, be better prepared. And yeah. My friend.
And Tawang is like another 77 kilometers from here.
Tawang is another 70 kilometers to go, guys. Another 70 kilometers. For now, we are just warming ourselves with some hot tea. So guys, we have left Sela Pass now, and we are heading towards Tawang. I think the distance is around 65 to 70 kilometers from here. The road seems decent as of now, but it started drizzling a bit, and plus it's very cold. So let's see. I mean, I have heard that there are a couple of other sightseeing places in between. So then there we'll stop and we'll spend some time. Otherwise, it's a straight road. So we are still on our way to Tawang, and on the way we have come across this beautiful gigantic waterfall, and here it is. So guys, right behind me you can see how beautiful this waterfall is. It's a huge waterfall. It's so beautiful, so gigantic. I think this is the first time I've seen something that huge. So we'll try to go near to that waterfall. I'm not sure of the way, but we'll see. It's also drizzling a bit, and let's go. I can't tell you how excited I am. You can feel the splashes coming till here. So you can imagine how huge this is. Amazing, amazing guys. I have no words to express this right now. It's so amazing. I'm gonna check the name for this waterfall because I'm not really sure. But yeah, it's beautiful. There's also a Hydel project running over there. There's something. So yeah, I think it's used for that. But what a beautiful view, guys. What a beautiful view.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now.
So guys, we just had our so-called waterfall experience. We got a lot of pictures clicked, but in the process we also got drenched. I have Parth here with me. Parth, can you tell how amazing the waterfall was?
It's really amazing.
So yes guys, so we really had fun. Now we are moving back. We'll be heading towards Tawang now. We can see a lot of people coming in as well. So if you happen to travel towards Tawang, make sure that you visit this waterfall because seriously guys, I'm 100% sure you're gonna love this. Now we'll be heading back. We have a long way to go before we reach Tawang.